Lighting is an essential part of cinematography that has the power to shape visual storytelling. That's why collaborating with DeSisti Lighting was essential for Sound of Kyoto.
Sound of Kyoto is an audiovisual project that musicalizes the cultural capital of Japan, the city of Kyoto.
On the traditional Japanese tea ceremony shoot, our goal was to balance the light in the room while at the same time creating a soft and natural look for a subject. As a backlight, we use the Piccoletto Fresnel to add depth and dimension to the scene.
The concept regarding the performance locations considers indoor and outdoor spaces, tradition and modernity, nature and urbanity. One standout sound device in the project is a contemporary percussion instrument featuring a blend of acoustic materials that produce a diverse range of timbre.
The piccolettos were used to accentuate different parts of the installation, while the soft LED series were used to create a softer quality of light for the artist. Their ability to change the color temperature was key in helping us match the lights that were already in the location.
The Sisti lights were instrumental in overcoming location challenges and achieving the desired look for each scene.
Ultimately, it's the seamless interplay between light and sound that creates the unique character of this project.
Sound of Kyoto is a well-tempered polyphony, a unified whole that reflects the city's voice and soul through music and cinematography.